This is Brian, and today we are going to draw Woody from the Toy Story. How exciting is this? Please make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you at the end of the video. But before I go, I want to ask you a trivia question. Now, Tom Hanks doesn't have all the time in the world, so he's unable to do all the voices for Woody all the time. So who does the voice of Woody when Tom Hanks is unable to? If you want to find out, make sure you tune in to the end of the video where I will reveal the answer. See you then. Thank you so much for staying tuned. The answer of the previous trivia question, who plays the voice of Woody when Tom Hanks is too busy? Well, of course, it's his brother Jim. He actually voices for Woody when Tom Hanks is unable to do it. So now you have one extra trivia fact under your belt. Look how amazing that is. Look at it. It looks great. You guys did a great job. Thank you so much for watching Rainbow Brush. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Once again, my name is Brian. I will see you on the next video.